Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to search for a specific phrase in Gmail. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to find a specific phrase in your Gmail messages, you've come to the right place. First, launch the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in your inbox, tap on the Search in Mail bar at the top of the screen. This will bring up the search bar where you can enter your search term. Next, simply type your search term in the search bar. Gmail will automatically display all the messages that match your search term. You can scroll through the results and tap on any message to open the conversation. Once you've opened a message, Gmail will highlight your search term within the message so you can easily spot it. This makes it quick and simple to find exactly what you're looking for in your Gmail inbox. And that's all there is to it. Searching for a specific phrase in Gmail is a breeze with these easy steps. Give it a try next time you're looking for a specific message in your inbox. Thanks for watching.